Welcome to my channel, Did You Know? The Fact World, your source for insightful discussions on various topics. In today's video, we'll explore different penis types and discover what women tend to prefer in intimate relationships. It's important to note that individual preferences vary, so let's dive into the key aspects. In the realm of intimate relationships, both men and women can be concerned about how their partners perceive their performance, including aspects related to intimate areas. While these thoughts may affect our sexual experiences, it's crucial to remember that size isn't the only factor that matters. According to scientific studies, there are 4 primary types of penises. 1. The curved one. This penis type may have a slight downward bend at the tip, which may not be ideal for missionary positions, but can be enjoyable in other contexts. 2. The big guy. Size is a matter of personal perception, and averages suggest a typical length of around 5.54 inches, 1407 sigma meter, with a girth of 3.11 inches, 7.9 centimeter. However, individual variations are common, and some may fall between 5.5 to 7 inches, which could be considered larger than average. 3. The little one. Smaller penises can foster long-term relationships, offering enjoyable experiences with minimal discomfort and quicker recovery periods. Some individuals may find comfort and satisfaction in smaller sizes. 4. So what do women generally prefer? Recent studies indicate that for casual encounters, women tend to favor a slightly above average penis size of approximately 6.4 inches in length and a 5-inch circumference. However, for long-term relationships, they typically seek a 6-inch erect penis with a 4.3-inch circumference 5. Surprisingly, many women find contentment in smaller sizes, particularly in the context of long-term relationships, where security and comfort play a more significant role than size alone. In conclusion, it's essential to recognize that there's no one-size-fits-all answer. When it comes to personal preferences in intimate relationships, communication, trust, and emotional connection often hold greater significance. If you enjoyed watching this video, please take a moment to share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments section below. If you have made it this far, comment below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics like this, also make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Until next time, stay healthy and safe. Thank you for watching.